Dinding ini da nyantor dindilla woni da nyantor
Jaliba, tell them.
ngalla moyin UNICEF ñulla UNICEF menje garan di ñunde
Killing our children, wrong, wrong. Crying our children, wrong, wrong. Child labor, whole system who feels it. No set, let them grow and multiply. Unify and sanctify. Good education, good medication. Open up the door, so us to
Mr. Laminda. I am a teacher in the school here. Okay, thank you very much. I'm really glad about this wonderful person. The history of the school, I can tell more about it. As far as I was among the first teachers who were here since in the beginning. This school was opened in 2023. The head of Father Bagaude of Busumbala, he was the head here by then. The time we came, it was frustrating because the way the environment was not encouraging at all for education to take place. So the thing is, what we found here as a school, it was not encouraging at all because the place was fenced with corket, up and down was fenced with corket, and then it was very dirty, I can say, because on top we have so many little things, grasses, and then so on that we place on top for learning to take place at that particular place. So it was a temporary building at that moment. It was not a permanent building at that time. For 1 year, for 2 years, it was a temporary building, and then I can say that it was very dangerous for we the teachers and also for the students to live in such kind of temporary building. There always be a time whereby students will be telling us senior is there, and other kind of things that will even harm the teachers or harm the students. It was very dangerous, it was very dangerous for the past 2 years to live in such kind of temporary building. Yeah. So he was there, the headmaster was there for 1 year, and then he was moved to other place, and then the current headmaster, who is Mr. Suleiman Bari, now he is here as the headmaster, assisted deputy by Mr. MP Sane. Right now, we are the one here, and then some of my colleagues, Jagatu Jaito, and then Father Rabi Jallo also. We are the one who are here at the moment. So most of the things that were happening here, it was not easy for the first time. But thank God, and I thank the community itself, both the SMC members, the mother school, parents, brothers, and then the community, even other people like outside people, like the people in diaspora and then so on. They really try a lot in order to make sure things are okay in this particular place. And then we are really happy of them for making the place so conducive for us. Yeah. Since the beginning, because it was very tough, we have so many people like UNICEF, partnership with the Child Fund, MOPSI, they all help in order to build, we have others like the borehole, and then also for that of the toilets. They are the one who help to sponsor them, and we have other bodies also who were able to help us in order, like Child Fund also, they help us to sponsor some of the children to encourage them in order to come to school, because as we see in some of the other areas, it is difficult for the parents to send their kids to school because of financial issue. So UNICEF was able to come with that assist in order to help parents for the students to have uniforms, shoes, bags, school materials, I can say. So it was simple for them to bring that one in order to help the community in order for children to come to school. Yeah, for we the teachers, I can say collaboration is the most important thing there. And then here we collaborate and then we work together as a team. And then even if you look at the environment now, the people who knew school by that time, school at that time, and then today is far different. There is a big difference in fact. Right now, if you see, many teachers will come here and then they will wish that they are in this school. And then by then, for the past 2 years, when they came here, they may not like to be within this other area. So I can see there is a very big improvement as of now. So that is the work of the community, the teachers, and then other outside bodies like diaspora and then other people. Is their work and collaboration that made this development where we are right now. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Nanti ala tentu because nyaji karamo alota this year 2025 so kita yaji le karamo benyame ala tentu baloti kita sol mon bijang fala so beatale committee fala wala do ko lom ni commande meeting wala kana jam ni commande do ko wala kana nyama so we until MRC Holland le mon ma ko in school le mon diary awadi biata dinyo min de Gambia wema ala ñantole ti pour ay lendo so wala kinna mo kontanta baake ni stulo la ko anu fanan adaye le fanan mo sawata baake yaade le mo bibi sawara mo bibi kontane mo bara do ko te kar nyam ika ko janne ko jo mandika le base school so ndem Mr. Barre ndele ko teacher in school ko folo ande men se penale de ga de ye kodo kina pour un programme wala ko donc te mamma be no bari ila akilel bija so ndel dum fele contribution awake wonde ata ala le be jono so ndel fanan ndel bu janne ndel be ani mel be banta ndel be ngani akilel because no la be projet no la contribution no so ndel dum fele da wonke alhamdulillah ala be jola
dindingo ini da nyandol dindilla woni da nyandol
Jalipa, tell them.
ngala moyin UNICEF nyula UNICEF menye inkarandi